Welcome back to the O Show, everything crypto every day. I'm your host, WendyO. Make sure you're subscribed with alerts set. It is so important because you don't want to miss any alpha. Anyways, we've got a lot to talk about today. There's a free airdrop. There's all these ridiculous articles about Bitcoin and Ethereum, but I got you. But before we do that, I want to share something special with you. Yesterday I went to the Huntington Library with some good friends and of course Lo. And one of the coolest things I saw, which of course I didn't get a picture, was one of the copies of the Gutenberg Bible. And it is actually one of the oldest books around. Super cool to be in the same room with that. And I did also see an original Shakespeare novel or play, whatever. But it was super cool. I like old stuff. But one more thing. So this right here is one of the views from one of the buildings at the Huntington Library. And the Huntington Library is a botanical garden, museum, etc. But it was a very, very stuffy, big house or mansion, whatever that I was in. And right when you walk outside, you see this beautiful view. It is absolutely stunning, gorgeous, massive patio. Anyways, I just wanted to go ahead and share with you, but let's get into some crypto news and of course, price action. All right, this story here, Bitcoin dips below $47,000, but one trader is eyeing solid risk reward for longing Bitcoin now. So I really dislike these articles because they're very clickbaity and everybody's got a different trading style. Plus, a lot of people don't read the entire article through and things can happen. People can panic sell, they can FOMO in, etc. But I'm here to remind you, and yes, we're gonna take a look at my Bitcoin chart. I'm here to remind you we are still trading in range from approximately $52,000 to $45,600. I don't see any issues with price action yet. Again, I need to see a flip above 52 or a break below 45 and us actually sustaining there. Market Cipher is just giving me more consolidation vibes as of now. And taking a look at the 6-hour chart, I'm also seeing that we want to kind of pop back up. It's looking like we bottomed out essentially at about $47,000. So again, you guys, we may experience a volatile move with Bitcoin, but at the same time, we have the holidays coming, so we might not see anything at all. And then of course this story that kind of contradicts what we heard yesterday about Ethereum. So Ethereum addresses with non-zero balance hits an all-time high. So basically there are more addresses in crypto now that have Ethereum balances, which is pretty important information because it's showing that a lot of people with a lot less capital than these whales are either investing in Ethereum, are using it for different DeFi, NFT, metaverse applications, or they just want to be in the crypto space. This is bullish for me long term. Yes, we talked about a story yesterday that was potentially kind of interesting to see comparing 2021 whales to 2017 whales regarding Ethereum. But at the same time, you guys, this is the key information that we want to look for here. The masses are the ones that ultimately can make the decisions in crypto because as all of us are combined together, we're going to have a lot more say and hopefully more capital than some of these big 1% whales. So I'm bullish on Ethereum long term. As far as the Ethereum chart, we are still in a downtrend. We were not able to break that $4,000 area, flipping into support. Heck, we weren't even able to get back above this trend line, even at about $3,800. So right now, I'm going to call for a drop to approximately $3,500, possibly to about $3,300, $3,200. If we break below this trend line at $32, $33, then we could be in some trouble. And we do need to see some positive price action. And again, our indicators on the daily are not looking too terribly great. And even if we pay attention to the 4-hour chart, it does look like we want to kind of pop back up and make some positive price action. However, I would need to actually see a flip here of at least $4,000, and I don't know if we're going to get enough momentum to do so. Either way, I'm going to be up in the mountains this weekend. I'm going to be flat, just kind of watching what things are going on, and I may mess around and enter into some positions depending if we start to get bullish. We'll have to see. This next story here is about another airdrop on Ethereum. Earlier this week, we saw an SOS airdrop, but this one is from OX Gas DAO. And one of the things I want to kind of commentate, speak about is that a lot of companies, at least DAOs or projects that really do want to be decentralized, we're going to start to see them do more organic grassroots marketing like this. A lot of times these projects will hire influencers to kind of market their stuff. And yes, I do sponsored content, all disclosed, but at the same time, I love to support projects that are doing grassroots efforts. effort like this because I love it. It's a very positive, strong marketing tactic because when you give somebody something for free, you're still essentially paying them kind of to talk about your projects, but it's done in a more organic way, if that makes sense. Either way, let's go ahead and read through some of this information so I can show you exactly how to claim your airdrop on OX Gas DAO. All right, so basically all you need to do was have spent over $1,559 in gas on Ethereum. And you head over to gasdao.org and you got to go ahead and connect your wallet and you can go ahead and claim your airdrop of gas. However, when you do go to claim your airdrop, you are going to have to pay some fees in Ethereum to do so. So one tip I'd like to recommend, and again, this is all from my good buddy DevChart on Twitter. Make sure you guys follow him. Absolutely amazing human being. But you can go ahead and head over to fees.wtf. And basically, it's going to let you know how much you spent on gas fees. So if you did meet that requirement of the $1,559, then you can potentially be eligible for the gas airdrop. So I highly recommend you go ahead and check this out first. And I think on this website here, you can actually go ahead and just enter in your Ethereum address to see if you actually or how much you spent on Ethereum. This is also a really great tool as well, and you can probably utilize it for taxes. Also, too, big shout to the Bored Ape Yacht Club community. I own 2 mutant apes, and this actually is crazy. Serum 69 was purchased for 999 Ethereum. I wish I would have got on this project earlier. I wish I would have got some Bored Apes. I didn't, but I just kind of wanted to point this out that this stuff is going for absolutely insane prices. Almost 1,000 Ethereum for an NFT. And yes, I do hold a mutant ape yacht club guy. Well, 2 of them. Absolutely adorable. Anyways, you guys, thank you so much for watching. I'm going to have some more content ready for you all this week. I will be up in the mountains. I may mess around, post some fun pictures so you guys can share this experience with me. I will catch you later, and if I don't see you again, I'm wishing you love and light for 2022.